So today I found this amazing website. This where you can see bird name with, and you can hear their original voice. For example, let's tap on this sparrow. You can see this sparrow name, and you can hear the voice. Let's tap on here. Green woodpecker. You can see. Last. Okay, let's tap on this duck. You can read its details in here. For example, I'm going to, for example, let's see a fish. Okay, what's this fish? Nothing here. Riverside plan. Okay, all. Okay, you can see the trees. Quite popular. You can see these all the plants. Let's see what is this. Reptiles and mammals. Let's see. Also here is a river. Reptiles and mammals. Can you see hear this voice? Let's now how is amazing. Common otter. So you can hear, you can read the river species. This is amazing website. Go check out pond species. So you can riverside wood species. Okay, there is a wild for friends. You can read all these things here in this website. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.